Oh shit. What's up, people? I'm about to do this little experiment with this little dog. It's not mine, but it's my sister-in-law's. Check it out. What I'm trying to prove is she's a little active, kind of, you know. Crazy little bitch. Look at her. Just destroying everything, you know. So I'm wondering if maybe like a little bit of kush can come down. All right. So I'll be back at you like 1 minute. All right, we're back, and he's a crazy dog again. And come down, man. We'll see what happens. Alright, well, I hope this 3 minutes helped you study a little more about weed and marijuana. This is good. It's good for you. You got problems, you got too much in the head going on, it'll mellow you down, man. Live on. Bye.